looking at working in the United States from that viewpoint, not sure if anyone would be interested, as I only have a bachelor's degree, an associate's degree, and a master's degree in cybersecurity. Most people in the United States, not just in the UK, have this. Just wondering, what are your thoughts? Not everybody has your level of certifications. I, as a matter of fact, do not have a master's degree. My bachelor's degree I got in 2004, and I was a full-grown adult by that time. I would disagree with that. Just to kind of blow smoke, I'm being completely serious. What you're looking at, Edward, and anybody else who wants to know, regarding your statement about most people having a degree in the US, I can't speak for the UK, but most people in the US do not have a degree. This line here that you're seeing, the line on top is high school diplomas. The line on the bottom is 25 to 29-year-olds bachelor's degrees or more. I've been doing this for a long time. I've worked for several companies as a contractor, as a full-time employee. I've even worked as an actual government employee. I was in the military for 8 years, and I was doing this stuff. I was doing security. And the consistent problem that we have is we can't find people who are qualified enough, meaning they have a bachelor's degree, they have a master's degree, to do this job. Now, granted, I work for the federal government, so a lot of times you have to have a clearance for that. They limit the amount of foreign nationals. So you can actually get a job as a foreign national working with the Department of Defense or federal government or different state governments. You can, but it's a little limited in my field of work. That being said, they're always looking, Google, Facebook, who have different contracts with the federal government and state governments, Cisco, you name it, all of these US companies are always looking for people who are qualified. And a lot of times they have to look outside of the country. A lot of times we don't have the skill set. Americans don't have the skill set. So it's really smart for employers and governments and organizations to pull from outside to get that. People like you, people who have a cybersecurity master's degree. If I had your certifications, if I had your degrees, I don't know if I would go to the US. I mean, I would imagine that there's lots of jobs there in Europe that are looking for your skill set. That being said, you can go on LinkedIn, all of these US company sites, they're always looking for people with your skill set.